Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation right from the scratch. This particular short video is to introduce ourselves, whom we are, a premier training institute strongly committed to provide the best possible training services and why choose our SQL school. Yes, 100% practical scenario based training classes with step by step handouts and care. We care every participant. You trust us, you come to us, so we need to care. Only then we can gel together, right? And we need to even win your references for our later batches, right? So we train carefully. We make you love the subject completely. Then you and me, we are ready for tomorrow. Over 18 years of training expertise, nurturing more than 1 lakh professionals. And we have been training vendors for ADP, Mindtree, L&T, Accenture, Value Labs, IMI Mobile, Sirius Cedar, UHG, HCL, and more. Yes, you see the vendorship forms, the invoices, and every detail on our website. Just get some sample on the screen. We assure you complete practice oriented classes. SQL Server TSQL queries, SQL programming, Azure data engineering, Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, Azure BI, SQL DBA with Azure Cloud, MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence, Snowflake, to name few courses. The top 9 trending courses right now in the industry, the high paid jobs. Beside this, we do also provide certification orientations, Azure fundamentals, Power Platform, DevOps, and few other courses. All details on our website sqlschool.com. And trust us, give us one chance, we prove it. Either you may go for on-demand video training or live online training. Let's make sure we enjoy every bit of technical information. Let's start our classes from the scratch. Let's start from the very basics of what is database, what is SQL Server, and Transact SQL, TSQL. From there, you journey either towards analytics and big data, red box center, developers, SQL database developers left side, administrators right side. Either you opt for the green course or the black or the brown or the purple or the blue box. 5 different course plans or 5 different course areas. You may choose any one to frame up your career carefully, making it ready for at least next few years down the line. What is there inside the red box, the big data box? Here it is. As a data engineer, we would be more involved in Azure Data Factory, Data Lake, Databricks, Python for ETL, extract, transform, and load. Python not for programming. Okay, number 5. Python for ETL, nice user interface, drag and drop. Synapse Analytics, role-based access control, key vaults, and big data. If in case you are looking for Power BI, we have 6 various design tools. I shall be taking another video, a short video on what is Power BI, what are those 6 design tools separately, and hosted on our website sqlschool.com. 2 hosting environments, cloud and report server. 2 great technologies, Power Query and DAX for big data analytics. and fabrics, Synapse Engineering, Synapse Data Science, Lakehouse Analytics, and One Lake. Together, 5, 6, 7 together is 8 Azure BI, a combo pack for experienced professionals. And most of our previous participants are already into it. They like us, they love us, they trust us, so they come back to us and we like them. Without our participants, we are not there. Our school is not there. I mean it. And we have SQL database administration, non-cloud, cloud, and ETL administration activities. To get into bit more details on the screen, just to get more details on what is included in big data courses. Power BI is anyway reporting the main cake piece, data engineer, and the cool cake, Microsoft Fabrics. You may opt for combinations like SQL plus Power BI. There is a certification for it, PL300, or SQL plus Power BI plus data engineer, two certifications, PL300 and DP203. Or you may go for Power BI, data engineer, SQL with Fabrics. We have DP500 separate certification. Fabrics is more into data engineering, analytics, and data science embedded together. For senior engineers, architects, data stewards, and senior data analysts, Power BI is the ultimate cool cake for our resume. And we have SQL DBA with Azure, Azure Database Administration. Or you may pair with data engineering towards ETL management, ETL administration. To make it more clear, once again, the complete course diagram on the screen, the actual brochure or the menu items. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice orientations. I mean it. Completely practical, completely real world, step-by-step guided activities. The participants attend one or two introduction classes. Then there will be an enrollment test. The participants shall enjoy the test. They shall enjoy the test. From the introduction class, they have the enrollment test. They pass the test and then come into our actual classes. To ensure properly guided classes, we have this tested winning approach for our registrations. You may reach us 24/7. And we being Microsoft Learning partners, we being Microsoft Learning providers, providing trainings for good number of MNCs and thousands and lakhs of participants all these 18 years. Once again, I assure you complete practice orientation, right from the scratch, right from the basics. As a trainer, I would be the trainer for all the courses that I was mentioning here. Except MSBI, we have a separate trainer for MSBI course. For all other courses, I'll be the trainer. And as a part of our partnership with Microsoft, because we are Microsoft Learning partners, as you see on the website. As you see on the website, we are the Microsoft Learning partners. So I do attend Trust Code training conducted by Microsoft time to time, so that we are more focused on the main technology and the implementations. We have been Microsoft Learning partner since 2019. With this information, you can reach me on this number or reach our team 24/7 and request them for a free demo class. The demo schedules would be live and available on our website sqlschool.com. Once again, assuring you complete practice orientation from the very basics. Let's enjoy the technology together. Let's feel it together. It is going to take us to the next level for sure. Let's trust the technology. Thank you so much. See you soon in our actual classes, the live demo class. Thank you once again. See you there. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.